I thought I stopped this. I guess I didn't. So I'm going to sear it for a couple minutes on both sides. And I want to put it in my, hold on. So I have an oven bag. I'm not going to use my crock pot. I'm going to use my oven bag. And I'll be back. So that's how we looking on one side. Ooh. Nice caramelization. Alright now, Miss Tip. Okay, so the roast is in there. Looks good. Okay, I added a little butter. I don't want to deglaze my pan yet, but I'm going to use water to deglaze it with. But I'm going to add, okay, all the stuff that I was marinating with. Peppers, onions, all that. Cook it up. And I also have some more, hold on. Okay, so I have some orange, red, whatever color those use, peppers. And I want to throw in here. And also, I do not have celery, so I'm going to throw a little celery seed in here. It ain't but a little bit, but it's kind of strong, so I don't want to use too much. And I bet you're wondering, you think that's enough seasoning? Oh, my finger in the way. Maybe not, but we gonna get it done because I also have the rest of my, what I marinated with. Lipton soup pack, beef at that. So yeah, let me get to it. Okay, so here's my bag. I'm gonna add carrots. And okay, yeah. Carrots. Got a handful on, or a couple handfuls of carrots. And I have corn that I'm gonna put in here, about maybe 3 of them. Okay, maybe I put 4. Okay, and that's what's going in here while it cooks. Now I'm going to church to celebrate the Lord. And I'll be back. So we have pot roast and carrots and corn and cornbread and homemade mashed potatoes for Father's Day.